less than 9 months, we've now got 52 new students that have built a home. It looks so barren now here. Crazy how we get used to having all these homes and all of this stuff going on, and we're going to be starting the new ones. It's so exciting to see what's been accomplished and what we can do. You feel a little different since you since you got finished?
We were like lost in Wonderland, and didn't know nothing. It's like we're ready for the second build.
Can you believe what you've done?
No. Yesterday we did. We were like unbelievable. So happy to see those houses move out.
It's incredible what happens when you build something and you're just like, I did it. And people come in. I got contractors that come in and they're like, these are incredible. You know, and they're like, how are these guys don't know anything yet? And I was like, well, they know what they learned yesterday. And now some more learning is going to happen. Yep. Everything you think you know, we're just going to start adding to that.
Yeah, we're very excited, actually. We're very happy.
Got them out. How do you feel?
Super excited.
Can you believe you finished?
That
one. I guess you did get to see a little bit more what happened to Devin when he went through, but
I did. I was slightly more prepared for the situation.
Yeah, do you feel like you've got a little bit more confidence in all things?
Absolutely. I'm super excited for the next build.
It's awesome. Yeah, we're going to throw some new stuff at you.
I know, I'm excited about plumbing.
Yep, going to do some plumbing, going to do some cabinet work, and change it up on you.
Yesterday was a lot of good teamwork. Got a lot of stuff moved. We got a lot of houses moved. Everything went efficiently. Everything went smooth.
So what is going on today? It's day number 2 at Ideal, right?
Day number 2, which is exciting. We got our students. They've already loaded 10 and offloaded those, and now we have the rest of them ready to go and out the door. We got our crane here, our trucks here. We're ready to get things moving, and they're getting things set up on top. Our crane is getting our tethers on, and we're gonna have a great day. We're excited. You can feel it with the students.
Let's go ahead and take a look. Follow you.
Straps on the crane, and the students are all excited. This is the best day getting these out of here. It's the we did it day, so it's exciting.
Day 2 is about how you feeling?
Good.
Yeah, how's everyone else feeling?
Everybody's feeling good, excited, happy, proud, tired. There's a lot of work yesterday moving the houses. It always is.
And today it's 10 more?
The last 10, yep.
We're live on Facebook. That was a pretty gentle set down, right?
Yeah, that was good. Well, this is the second day that we've done it, so everybody kind of has a rotation going, and they've done it once or twice before. So yeah, it's going a lot smoother, and that was great. This guy's really good with the crane.
And on top of that, like, I mean, you know, once you get that practice from yesterday, then you could tell that practice is present today, correct?
That's right. Yeah, absolutely. And that's with everybody, the whole class, the truckers, the crane, everybody's working together smoothly, and it's really coming together really well. Yesterday we did 10 in 5 hours, and we're hoping to do 12 today in even less time. Obviously with being safe and being efficient, but trying to get that time a little bit less each time, you know, but it's going really smooth as of yet, so. We got these steps moving really well, so Isabel's class will be up here and ready to go by the time that this one's already set. He just undoes the straps from the top, moves them over. We got people ready there. We got people on the bottom. We got the toe strap ready to go. And so it's getting real smooth. I'm liking it. It's going fast.
Cool. Importance of teamwork, right?
Yeah, and getting this amount of people together and working together fluidly, that takes a little bit of orchestrating, and these guys are just knocking it out of the park. So I couldn't be happier with them.
Oh, it was quite a feat, and actually it went really smooth. We were able to move 10 units a day, and everything worked real good. At the first couple lifts off a trailer, they were a little sketchy, the students were, but once they figured out how to line up the unit and set it on our cribbing, everything went real smooth. And you can see in the background, they're actually sealing up where the cranes hook into the roof system. So they've not only are learning how to attach and detach units from a crane, but they're also learning how to patch the roof back after they installed all the stuff up there. Students are just doing a phenomenal job as far as picking up the skills, and this was their first unit they built. The next 2 units are going to get even better at their skill level, so we're really excited about how that's all going to turn out.